welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Parrikar informs that he would induct Alina Saldanha in the cabinet after Cortalim by-poll, says he respects moral responsibility of code of conduct. UGDP is ready to welcome Churchill in the party. Discussion on re-entry of Churchill in the UGDP going on. Party leaders say they won't tolerate blackmailing tactics like Save Goa. Goa Government Employees Association demands inquiry into the functioning of Upnagar. Alleged caretakers of Upnagar are attacked by the inmates, say that visits of NGOs at Upnagar are suspicious. Aam Aurat Admi against gambling urges government to bring in a legislation to stop casinos in the state. Members of civil society group meet CM. CM assures to address the problems by September. And Salgonka Sports Club thrash GCA Academy boys. Dempo Cricket Club defeats Sarvodaya Royals in Bandodkar Trophy cricket. Now the news in detail. Finally, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had to defer Alina Saldanha's cabinet induction on the advisory of Election Commission of India. Parrikar made it clear that he would induct Alina in the cabinet after the by-poll. BJP will declare Alina's candidature for Cortalim by-poll within next 2 days.
Election Commission of India has issued advisory to the state government on Alina Saldanha's cabinet induction. The advisory has been issued in the view of model code of conduct being enforced and to ensure that a level playing field is maintained. This was after taking cognizance of complaint filed by Advocate Irish Rodriguez against Alina's proposed induction. Cabinet induction was scheduled on Tuesday.
I am glad to say that Election Commission has upheld my right on the subject, and they have stated that Commission respects the constitutional right of Honorable Chief Minister to constitute his cabinet at any time. They say that in view of model code, the level playing field is to be maintained, keeping in with the spirit of the code. Now, keeping in view of the spirit of the code and high respect I have for Election Commission, I have decided not to swear in any minister till the election code is over. That is not because I am impounded or I am stopped from doing it, but it is out of respect to democracy and respect to Election Commission. I had consulted Alina also yesterday, day before yesterday, and she was also of the same opinion. Therefore, Constitution is supreme. That was a point which I was trying to make. I never intended to go ahead if they just considered this point, that it is my right. I fought for my right. Someone lodged a complaint. Election Commission, instead of asking me, directly issued a directive to Governor and me, which was the mistake which they committed according to me. They should not have done that. They should have asked our comment on it. No, and Election Commission also, if they start going for pre-assumptive, then why not expenses starts from the pre-assumption? Now I'll go one sentence further. Perception now, for example, I'm telling you right now, after the election I will do that. So perception wise, people of that area knows that she will get ministryship. No one can stop me from saying that. Even Election Commission does not agree with it. तुझो manifesto asta is a bundle of assurances.
A reporter in Panji Laukik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Churchill might soon join the UGDP. UGDP is ready to welcome Churchill in the party. They claim it will be a conditional entry. Party leaders say they won't tolerate blackmailing tactics and affairs like Save Goa. Secretary General of the UGDP, Advocate Anaclet Vegas, has confirmed the discussion is on regarding Churchill's entry.
Secretary General of UGDP, Advocate Anacleto Vegas, says the discussions are on for re-entry of Churchill Alemao in UGDP. However, has made it clear that party won't tolerate blackmailing tactics like Save Goa. He says those who had left UGDP should unite to oppose the Mopa airport.
आमगेल स्टँड चर्चिल आलेमाव जावं या सगळी UGDP पळय सोडून गेल्ले ते हे पावटी सगळे एकठांय जावपा जाय कित्याक आमकां इश्यू हो पळय आसा सामको डिझास्टर करतलो पळोवपा तूं गोंय आयली जाल्यार आनी एक रेल्वे पळय आयल्या तशें जातलें रेल्वे येवन आमी परत सदां सांगताले चोर येतली म्हण हांगा डेकॉयट्स येतली म्हण हांगा चोरी करून रेल्वेन वतली म्हणून आज तेंच जालें आनी फाल्यां तर मोपा आयली जाय ती एअरपोर्ट सगळी विलेजीन न्ही फॉरेनर येतले रूल करपाक.
Advocate Anacleto says there is need for a centrally located airport. He says that Navy should hand over the Daboli airport to the people of the state.
एअरपोर्ट लागीं जाय सेंट्रली लोकेटेड जाय आमी एअरपोर्ट आनी नाकुन्ना आमचो हो पळय आशिल्लो आमकां आहा पळय आमगेलो तो एअरपोर्ट आमी परतून ताब्यात घेवपा जाय कित्याक मिलिटरीच्यान दवरपा जायना तो एज अ टोकन ऑफ देयर कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ गोवा तो दवरपा जायना आमगे लोकल एअरपोर्ट लोकांक दिवपा जाय आतां आमी सगळ्यांनी मोबिलायज करपा जाय चर्चील तर उबरात जाय ऑन ओनली वन इश्यू वेलकम आमगे प्रॉब्लेम कांयच ना.
तुमची हितून तुमी तेका घेतले?
Yes, आमगेल UGDP चेर मरे. Anyone who is opposing MOPA, anyone fighting for the cause of Goa, for special status for Goa, is welcome.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Goa Government Employees Association has demanded an inquiry into the functioning of Upnagar. The association has also demanded security for the caretakers working there as the workers are allegedly attacked by the inmates. They have also questioned the midnight visits of NGOs like Scan India at Upnagar.
Goa Government Employees Association has demanded security for the caretakers working at Upnagar. They allege that the caretakers are attacked by inmates.
किती वस्तुस्थिती किती आसा ती तितूंच्यान पळपा सारकें तुजें पळपा सारकें असो आमचे सेक्रेटरी एक स्टेटमेंट दिता की तो वारां बारीक आसा म्हणून आज पर्यंत थंय सेक्रेटरी एक दीस कित्याक पावना आज पर्यंत कन्सर्न जो डायरेक्टर आसा तो एक दीस पर्यंत कित्याक पावना ग्रावंड रियलिटी पळोवपाक अशी सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार भरपूर केसीस आसा जेणे करून अशें दिसता की एक केअरटेकर दे आर टेकिंग मॅक्झिमम दे रिस्क देयर लायफ किंवा तुमी आनी कितें करूंक शकता तेणी सांगलें आमकां जर सेक्युरिटी दिली जायत व्यवस्थित सेक्युरिटी दिली जायत जाल्यार जाता केअरटेकर कॅनॉट एक्ट एज अ पोलीस वीथ आर्म ऑर समथींग तो बेश्टोच आसता ते कितें करता चादर घालता ते बांदता धरतात 4-5 जाण एकटीन जाता आनी तेजे हल्लो करता ते केअरटेकराचेर तो एकच ड्युटीर आसता रातचो.
आमच्या दोगा स्टाफांक अक्षरशः सामके मारून उडयल्ले जमा केल्ले म्हणजे तांकां कितें आसलें भायल्या हॉलान टीव्ही पळोवपाक म्हण हाडलेले भुरग्यांक सगळ्यांक टीव्ही पळोवपाक थोडे म्हणपाक आपल्याक मुतोंक जालो हें जाला म्हणून आमचो एक केअरटेकर वयर मुतपाक गेलो फाटोफाट दुसरे भुरगे गेले ताका चादर घातली टॉयलेटीन बांदून घातलो आनी सामको मारून उडयल्याक उडयलो ते पर्स काडली पर्साचे पयशे घातले आनी मेन पर्सांची चावी काडली आनी गेटीचे ओपन केले आनी धांवले.
They say the midnight visits of NGOs like Scan India at Upnagar are suspicious.
गव्हर्मेंट इन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हणल्यार कोणाकच थंय एंट्री दिल्ले जायना पूण हे स्कॅन इंडियाचे लोक रातची 12-1 कित्याक वता कित्याक तेंचें काम कितें कोणे परमिशन दिलें तांकां गव्हर्मेंटान दिलें काय कोणें दिलें जे वेळार खंयचे भुरगे किंवा लोकांचो न्हिदपाचो टायम आसता तेन्ना रातचे 12:30 एनी टायम हाव दे कॅन एंटर आनी सामकी तितूंची अजापाची गोश्ट अशी की हे जे NGOs आसा ते भितर वता पूण केअरटेकरां भितर घेना भितरल्यान लॅश घालता आनी तेंचे कडेन कितें तरी उलयता रातचे पिक्चर दाखयता वॉट इट इम्प्लायज ना आमचो डिमांड असो की ती ग्रावंड रियलिटी आसा थंय इन्क्वायरी जावपा जाय इन्क्वायरी जायत ना जे सदांच दिसता की केअरटेकर्स आर इनवॉल्वड इन लिविंग इस्केपीस आउट.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Fahari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.